playing in the sand, and you found a little band. You told me you fell in love with it, hadn't gone as I planned. When you had to bid adieu, said you'd never love anew. I wondered if I could hold it and fall in love with it too. You told me to buy a pony, but all I wanted was you.
Fly me to the moon, let me play among the stars, and let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. In other words, baby, kiss me. Fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. In other words, I love you. With song, let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. In other words, I love you.
I can dim the lights and sing you songs full of sad things. We can do the tango just for two. I can serenade and gently play on your heartstrings. Be your Valentino just for you. That's because I'm a good old-fashioned lover boy. Ooh, let me feel your heartbeat grow faster, faster. Can you feel my love heat? Come on and see to my heart, seed of love, and tell me how do you feel right after all? I'd like for you and I to go romantic. Say the word, your wish is my command. Ooh, lover boy. I'm not with you, think of you always. I miss those long hot summer nights. When I'm not with you, think of me always. Love you, love you.
Hey boy, where'd you get it from? Hey boy, where did you go?
I learned my passion in the good old-fashioned school of lover boys. Dining at the Ritz, we'll meet at night. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 o'clock. Pay the bill, you taste the wine. Driving back in style in my saloon will do quite nicely. Just take me back to yours, that will be fine. Come on and get it. Ooh, love. There it goes again. It's my good old-fashioned love boy. What you did tonight, hey boy. Everything's alright, just hold on tight. That's because I'm a good old-fashioned lover boy.
You didn't have to look my way. Your eyes still haunt me to this day. But you did. Yes, you did. You didn't have to say my name. Ignite my circuits, a star of flame. But you did. Oh, a turpentine erase me whole. Who don't want to live my life alone. Who was waiting for you all my life. Set me free, my honeybee. You didn't have to smile at me. Your grin's the sweetest that I've ever seen. But you did. Yes, you did. You didn't have to offer your hand. 'Cause since I've kissed it, I am at your command. But you did. Oh, a turpentine erase me whole. Who don't want to live my life alone. Who was waiting for you all my life. Set me free, my Hello, goodbye, it was nice to know you. How I find myself without you. That I'll never know. That I'll never know. I let myself go. I let myself.
Hello, goodbye, I'm rather crazy, and I never thought I was crazy. But what do I know?
What do I know?
I let myself go.
I let myself go.
Ooh, to know you, how I find myself without you, that I'll never know.
Only I let myself go.
Hello, goodbye, I'm rather crazy, and I never thought I was crazy. But what do I know?
What do I know?
I let myself go. Hello, goodbye, it was nice to know you, how I find myself without you. Hello, goodbye, I'm rather crazy, and I never thought I was crazy. Hello, goodbye, it was nice to know you, how I find myself without you. Hello, goodbye, I'm rather crazy, and I never thought I was crazy.
Found you here, right beside me, saying all the things you've never done. There's not much time and less to say. Oh, please, just come away. You could be my lady, and we'll walk the streets for no reason, maybe. Just till you see you won't be so lonely. When you're with me, you won't ever be so lonely.
send my apologies to you.
That makes me happy.
I'd rather be tall, I'd rather be smart, I'd rather be sure you know I care. Wherever you go, whatever you start, I'd rather be sure you know I'm there. I'd rather I always be a part of whatever you do. I'd rather be me with you. Wherever we go, I already trust I'd know what to do if it were us. I'd know what to say, I'd know how to be, I'd know your entire syllabus. I can't think of any other thing in the world I would rather do. If I could be, I'd rather be me.